originates. Flood warning in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. What urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where portions of southwest and west central Virginia, including the following counties and independent cities in southwest Virginia: Bland, City of Bradford, Craig, Floyd, Giles, Montgomery, Pulaski, Smythe, and Wythe. In west central Virginia: Allegheny, Virginia, Bath, Botetourt, City of Buena Vista, City of Covington, City of Lexington, City of Roanoke, City of Salem, Roanoke, and Rockbridge. When, until 8 p.m. Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details: at 9 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1/2 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. For some areas, there may be a break in precipitation before heavy rain starts again. Some locations that will experience flooding include Roanoke, Blacksburg, Salem, Christiansburg, Radford, Allegheny, and Bluefield. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can... This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. I'll say that. Okay, let's go. No. Okay, so I'm going to get to the bottom of this warning as to why it was issued. So we got this stretchy large flood warning issued by RNK for airports of southwestern and west central Virginia, and excluding any independent cities. This flood warning, or this aerial flood warning to be specific, has 13 counties in it, along with 6 independent cities, since Virginia has independent cities for some reason. But yeah, 13 counties in this warning. And WXL42 having just toned in for this one county here, that being Floyd County, Virginia. And out of the 13 counties in this one warning, Floyd County is one of the 22 counties within WXL42's county area. And as a matter of fact, they've actually just recently, depending on the time you're watching this, added it as of October 2023 as being the newly added county to WXL42's humongous Columbus Among Us county area. Just like how this photo warning here is from the area that's in it. Stretchy long polygon going like swiftly from here to there. And this actually caught me by surprise because I got an app notification here for Floyd County being in this photo warning, and out of all of the other counties here that are in this product, Ford County, at least for what I know of, or what I have been knowing of, hasn't been put in any kind of forecast that it'll get heavy rain. But I suppose it's this newly issued and stretchy long photo warning that it's the first presence of getting anything of a product. And so it's gotten over to WXL42 during the taunts. And when they're located over here, telling a warning for over here, for that county. But yeah, just a surprise to me for this. That's all I gotta say for a stretchy long photo warning.